Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Shabir Ansari is here. Please consider to subscribe my channel. Today we are visiting a complaint site where we have found a city of mosquitoes. It can be dengue, but they are in huge numbers. This pan is blocked, which is creating a mess. It is one of the dirtiest street which I have been visited till now. Staff is trying to unclog the sewer line by the use of steel bar. It's totally filled with sewage and also overflowing. It's very hard for staff to stand at this point and work there because there is a tree. Therefore, staff cannot stand at the right position. ਆ ਦੋ ਕੁ ਝਾੜੀਆਂ ਤੋੜ ਲਾ They have found some blockage. Now they are pulling back the steel bar and they will remove the blockage which is injected with the steel bar. You can watch the rubbish and the waste material everywhere. It's full of the dirty things all around. It's a huge overflow which is spread all around the street. From that side, staff didn't succeeded. That's why they're trying from the other side of this span and the other manhole. You can see the level of water in this manhole is down as compared to previous manhole. Here we go. The sewer line got functional, is fumbling, and creating a noise. You can watch the sewage, which was all around, now going back into the manhole. Unclogging has been done, and the sewer line drain is functional now. Hey, I saw a poor cat, I think that is wandering for a food, trying to find the food somewhere in the street. About a month ago, I have about 10 number of cats in my house as a pet, but now I have only one cat in my house. It's a stray cat. I can see definitely she gave birth to kittens somewhere. All the overflowed sewage has gone back to the manhole. There is no sewage now in the street, but the street is full of rubbish. That's why it seems like there is still overflow. Flow of this manhole is decreasing gradually. Now the question is, who will clean this street, which has asked in the comments. It will be cleaned by the residents by themselves, or they will give some extra money to the sweeper so he can clean the streets for them. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.